Hello guys, and welcome in today's video. I will not be able to enter inside. We see that only today the waterproof material was used in the lobby, so it's like it has never been, especially here where this portion is, where you just walk in. You can imagine how the cold temperature meets the warm one, and here I used to have moisture and even mold. Hopefully now with this hydro isolation it will go away. And also here he will put a segment of foam that will not allow will basically cut the cold area of the outside from the cold, warm one from the inside. But also what it's nice, I see that the floor mosaic has been placed, and it looks really nice. Of course, with you can imagine, especially on an old house, it cannot be, let's say, straight as an arrow, and it wasn't before either, but it looks really nice, and for sure I will not have any issues with the water gathering in some areas. So yeah, this is about it. Today I bought more hydro isolation, this waterproof material, because he will apply it on the kitchen also. But yeah, other than that, it looks really nice. I can't wait to go inside the bathroom. Who knows when? Maybe some days will pass, but the mosaic on the walls looks incredible. And also when this whole area will be paved with the same mosaic, it will look really awesome. I can't wait for it. So basically this pretty much is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. May you be able to enter your home, if you renovate it as well, as soon as possible, and take care wherever you are. Bye bye guys.